Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel. This is your trusted news update. If you are new here, please remember to hit the subscribe button, share our videos and support this platform as we continue bringing you the latest, most truthful and most human-centered stories about our people, our nation and our future. Our first topic story is weekly police security report. According to the information on our radio, the National Police Service has released its weekly report covering incidents from September 1 to September 8, 2025. The report showed that 9 people lost their life and 3 more took their own life during that period. Major Liz Wilson Simon, the deputy police spokesperson, told the media that the deaths happen in different parts of the country. The causes include stabbing, shooting, suicide, and cases with unexplained reason. He added that among the dead were 2 foreigners. One was a person who died by suicide, while the other was a Syrian national who passed away from unknown causes. Despite these tragic events, Major Simon assured the public that the overall security situation remained calm across South Sudan. In his own words, he said, "During the week from September 1st to September 8th, the security of the country remained generally stable. Police work together with one security agencies. They are working together to monitor different regions, and we encourage citizens to report any suspicious movement or incident." But behind this official statement, we see the pain of ordinary families, mothers, fathers, and children losing loved ones in sudden violence. These are not just numbers, they are real people with dreams and families. The police report also highlighted a specific incident. In eastern Equatorial State, 2 civilians were robbed and sadly a child was abducted in Kurgana. In Tambura County, Western Equatoria, a shooting incident caused fear among local people. In Lake State, killings were reported in Rumbek Center, Shuebet, and Yerol West. 1 suspect has been arrested. In Tony North County, Warab State, 1 civilian was shot and injured. In Rukona Unity State, several suspects were detained in connection with army attack. These incidents remind us of the urgent need for peace and strong law enforcement in South Sudan. Our second top story is the release of SPLMIO official in Lake State. According to the information, in another major development, the acting Minister of Information in Lake State, William Kojikerjok, has confirmed the release of 3 senior SPLMIO officials. The officials are MP Kaman Makwe, MP Atir Akolde, and Ustaz Mandela Machek, who is the SPLM Youth League chairperson. He had been detained for more than 4 months. According to the information, they were accused of incitement after criticizing the government over the clash and airstrike in Nasser County, Upnal State, when the SSPDF carried out an attack using gunship helicopter and attacking civilians in Nasser. Minister Koji said the 3 men were free 4 days ago. He urged them to rejoin their families and warned them against making political statements that could create more conflict. However, not all detainees have been released. Deputy Governor Dr. Isaiah Akol Matiang and Minister of Animal Resources Samuel Guy Magok remain in custody. The government say they are still under investigation because of a statement they posted on social media, especially one by the deputy governor that reportedly encouraged violence. Minister Koji also made it clear that the government will review the employment status of the freed officials. This means they might not return to their position until further decisions are made. The release of these 3 leaders from SPLIU has brought some hope to their families and communities, but it also raised big questions. Why are political disagreements still leading to arrests? How long will South Sudanese leader use prison as a tool for silencing voices? And why the government is silencing those who are speaking on behalf of the people that are being targeted in Nasser? According to the information, the government does not need anyone to speak against the government. And this is what brought them or allowed them to be arrested in the first place for speaking against Kiir Mayardit government. In another top story, according to the information that was posted also by the iRadio, President Kiir on Ethiopia Renaissance Dam. On the international stage, President Salva Kiir Mayardit has announced that South Sudan will soon, or very soon, will sign an agreement with Ethiopia to import electricity from the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, known as GATE. President Salva Kiir attended the inauguration ceremony of the dam on September 9 alongside African and Caribbean leaders. The dam is located in Benshangul Gumuz region, near the border with Sudan. In his speech, President Salva Kiir Mayardit called the dam a symbol of unity, sacrifice, and determination. Kiir said Ethiopia's achievements show that what people can do when they work together with a shared vision. For South Sudan, this agreement is more than words. It could mean light in our own town and village, electricity for school and hospital, and new opportunities for business and families. Imagine our children reading at night without depending on candles, our hospital having steady power for life-saving equipment, and our young people starting small industries powered by clean electricity. That is the future this agreement promises. President Salva Kiir congratulated the Ethiopian people and described them as brothers to South Sudan, emphasizing the strong friendship between the two nations. The call for peace and release of Dr. Machar is growing every day. Finally, we must face the truth. South Sudan cannot find peace if its leaders continue to fight instead of uniting. Many citizens and communities are calling for peace, dialogue instead of bloodshed. They are saying enough is enough. Leaders must choose unity, not war. At the center of this call is the demand for the release of Dr. Machar, who remain under restriction. People believe his freedom is essential for moving the peace process. To move peace process forward, without Dr. Machar or without releasing Riek Machar, the path to reconciliation remains blocked. This is not about politics alone. It is about the life of ordinary South Sudanese people who want safety for their families, opportunities for their children, and a country that heals instead of break apart. My brother and sister, as we share this story today, let us not just hear them as news. Let us hear them as a call to action, a call to end violence in our communities, a call to hold leaders accountable, a call to push for peace and unity, a call to bring back dignity to our people. If you believe in this message, please support Changfied YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, and stand with us as we continue bringing you the voice of the people. Together, we can shine a light on the truth and build a better future for South Sudan. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay united. Until next time, this is Changfied, your voice, your news, your channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.